We got another one. Another one. We got another one. What the heck? I think it's here.
The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern El Paso County in east central Colorado, north central Pueblo County in southeastern Colorado at 5 p.m. It's 4:34 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of Pinion, or 17 miles northwest of
It's
Pueblo.
coming up. It's coming
north
up.
at 40
This is what
miles
it's
an hour.
coming.
Blowing dust will be possible.
Wait,
with
what?
reduced visibility.
What is this going to be? A dust
Hazard
storm?
to inhale and 70 miles an
And
hour
it's going to be
with
on
gusts.
TV.
Source: trained weather spotters.
Trained weather spotters.
Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured.
Guys, get in your shelter now if you live in Colorado Springs or
Windows
Fountain.
and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include southern Colorado Springs, Fountain, Stratford, Fort Carson, Security, Whitefield, and Pueblo West. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for east central Colorado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm is producing large hail.
What?
Seek shelter now.
Oh,
inside
hell
the
no.
structure and stay away from windows.
Don't.
A severe
Guys,
thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:45
I may get
p.m.
I may have a
South Central
tornado.
El Paso and
Oh my god, a
northwestern
tornado
Pueblo
might hit my school
counties.
tomorrow. It's gonna be worse
It's
tomorrow.
4:32 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. A
I know.
severe thunderstorm.
What I told you. Again. How many are they gonna be on TV? Oh my gosh, it's gonna go on TV all night, bro. I might not sleep. It's gonna be so. I got school tomorrow. They might cancel my school. I have no idea. This is too much severe weather. There's gonna be flash floods.
In southeastern Colorado until 5 p.m. It's 4:34 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of Pinion, or 17 miles northwest of Pueblo, moving north at 40 miles an hour. Blowing dust will be possible.
Blowing
with
dust.
Reduced visibility. Hazard to inhale and 70 miles an hour with gusts.
Inhale.
Source: trained weather spotters. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles.
Again, bro. This is a tornado outbreak going on here, guys.
Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes.
Bro, my school's got to cancel school tomorrow. This is too much weather. It's gonna be worse. It's gonna hit at midnight. Another storm at midnight. My weather radio might go off. Maybe a tornado. This midnight could be my first ever tornado warning at midnight.
Protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm is producing large hail.
Producing large
Seek
hail.
shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Paul Anderson and Lopez.
Oh my. But here's over there somewhere. So I gotta go. Bye.